In this video, I'm going to show you how to create relations between tables in Glide. Relations are essential when you want to link data from one table to another so that more detailed information can be displayed in a connected manner. For example, I currently have two tables, one called Employees and another called Departments. Each employee belongs to a department, but I want to connect this information to the Departments table so that more information about each department can be viewed on the employee's profile. To create a relation, you first need to ensure that the primary table contains a column that corresponds to the second table. In my case, the department column in the employees table will link to the departments table, which contains additional details such as department location and manager. Relations can be used for a variety of purposes, such as linking products to categories, assigning managers to employees, or connecting any data points that need to reference each other. To set up the relation, head over to the first table and add a new column. Name this column something similar to the one you intend to link, ensuring clarity in your data structure. Then, from the Column Type drop-down menu, select Relation. In the configuration options, first choose the column you want to relate, then select the corresponding table and column in the second table that contains the matching values, click Save, and your relation will now be established. After creating the relation, go to the Layout section. Here you can integrate it into your app layout. For instance, in the Employee Detail screen, you can add a new collection component and, under the source settings on the right-hand side, select the relation you just created. This will automatically display department information, such as location and manager, on each employee's profile. Anytime you open an employee's profile, the related department details will appear seamlessly, making your app's data more connected and informative. And this is how you can create relations between tables in Glide.